Finally, Windows 11 is now official. Windows 11 is now here with us and with a new look and new features. In this video, we take a look at what's new in the new Windows 11. I must agree that at least this is a good start of the new generation of Windows. The most noticeable change in the new Windows 11 is the Start button that is now positioned at the center by default, plus of course your apps. This has been long overdue. You can also be able to have it on the left if that is what you prefer. The live tiles are no more. When you click the Start button, there is a good chance you will see your pinned and recommended apps. You will have to click on all apps to see all the installed apps. There is a new search experience with the search bar now appearing on top. The Settings app has received a significant change. It now brings a new look with new experience. Windows 11 also comes with new themes that you can use to personalize your operating system. You can choose from light to dark themes. Cool, right? Introducing the new way of snapping windows. You can now be able to snap to the left, right, center, name them with ease. Windows 11 now makes it easy to pick up from where you left. Microsoft Teams. Microsoft Teams is now integrated into Windows with a dedicated icon on the taskbar. This comes in so handy, especially during this pandemic period. With the new Windows 11, you can personalize your feeds using widgets. You can customize the widgets the way you want. Do you need to switch from your laptop to tablet? Windows 11 adapts automatically. Input with ease, either by typing or by voice. Experience the magical way of typing using the on-screen keyboard. Windows 11 takes gaming in an all-new level experience. With Auto HDR, this makes everything look like reality. Introducing the new Microsoft Store. With a new look and almost all the new apps you need, including Android apps, available in all your favorite brands. And that is just a brief overview of what's new in Windows 11. Of course, there are other interesting features available, and this is just the start. Subscribe to IT Skills Academy for more updates. Thanks for watching, and as usual, see you in the next one.